We are Team Adaptive Sync, and today we are excited to present Nexus Serve AI, a solution for the problem statement AI-enabled self-service at branch and contact centers. Our team together here brings various expertise in AI/ML engineering, backend and core integration, front-end and UX, NLP together. Together, we have built a platform to modernize the backbone of Indian banking, our public sector banks. I want you to imagine a Monday morning at a local branch. A retired employee, let's say that person's name is Ramesh. He waits for hours just to check his pension balance. Simultaneously, contact center agents are drowning in thousands of repetitive calls like how do I block my card? Nexus Serve AI is the one brain, two faces solution to this crisis. It's a conversational platform deployable via smart kiosks in branches and intelligent voice bots in contact centers. We don't just answer queries, we automate 70 to 80% of routine banking interactions end to end. Our architecture, which we call the Nexus of Brain, bridges the gap between the customer and the bank's core systems. Whether a customer walks up to a kiosk or dials the helpline, a multilingual ASR detects their language instantly. We use biometric authentication, like face or voice recognition, to ensure security without the friction of pins or passwords. Our AI orchestration engine then talks directly to the core banking system, the CBS, via APIs to execute transactions in real time. At the branch, our AI kiosk supports over 12 Indian languages, ensuring financial inclusion for rural India. It handles everything from fund transfers to KYC updates, reducing teller footfall by 60%. In the contact centers, we have replaced the frustrating press 1 IVR with a natural voice bot. It detects customer sentiment, and if a case is too complex, it performs a smart handoff to a human agent where it can provide them with full transcript and context so the customer never has to repeat themselves. Technically, we are built for the future. We use Claude and GPT-4 by LangChain for reasoning. This is all powered by Claude and GPT-4, and OpenAI Whisper for high accuracy Indian accent speech processing. Our backend is robust, Python fast API, and Node.js stack, using Apache Kafka for reliable message queuing. This ensures that even if a banking API is temporarily down, the transaction request is never lost. We know that banking environments are challenging. To tackle low digital literacy, we have included a guided visual UI. For connectivity issues in remote areas, we utilize edge computing to allow basic offline transactions that sync once the network returns. Best of all, our hardware is affordable, it's costing somewhere very less per unit, making it highly viable for 90,000 plus PSB branches across India. The impact is very clear. For customers, zero wait times and 24/7 service in their mother tongue. For banks, a 40 to 50% reduction in cost per service and a massive jump in customer satisfaction score. For India, it accelerates financial inclusion by making banking accessible to the elderly and the differently abled. Nexus Serve AI operates on a software as a service hybrid model. We target all 12 public sector banks with a phased rollout. Our vision is to move from a pilot phase to a national deployment and, of course, eventually export this model to other emerging markets in the SAARC and African regions. We are fully compliant with RBI data localization norms, ensuring that India's financial data stays within India. Thank you for your time. Let's make banking as simple as a conversation. Thank you so much.